Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by equipping the right hardware and toggling it immediately. Open your vehicle customization and install night vision or thermal optics, then bind a convenient key. Once done, spawn into an actual night battle so the system activates. Make sure your graphics settings allow post-processing and DOF, otherwise the effect won't render. You want the HUD indicator confirming NV online. If you don't see it, toggle the key once to force the shader to load, and check your FOV for comfortable aiming. Once NV is active, adapt your movement and aiming. The enhanced brightness increases target contrast but narrows depth cues. Move deliberately. Short bursts and steady aim keep the reticle on silhouettes that pop against the background. Make sure to toggle NV briefly when scanning wide areas to reset exposure, then lock on when you spot thermal or reflective shapes. Also, use map awareness. Enemies near lights or smoke are more visible, so position to keep backgrounds dark and targets highlighted for quick, decisive shots. Finish by confirming your aiming adjustments and practicing toggles under pressure. Once you've learned exposure timing, NV becomes an advantage, not a distraction. If your sight appears misaligned, re-zero your optics in a safe moment. Small offsets matter at range. If the effect flickers or stutters, make sure post-processing and shader settings are stable. Update GPU drivers and lower conflicting effects. And if things still fail, jump into a test mission to iterate quickly until NV feels natural and dependable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.